Hello again. We are leaving this place, so it's a final touch. This building. Oh, we saw that earlier. We are leaving a lot of places we didn't see. I'm excited to touch those places and have some different food. School buses. You're lucky we are not the other side.
Luckily you will not see traffic here. The traffic is really bad.
So if we come in evening time, we can see more traffic here.
Yes.
I like the style of houses, and all of them are like that here. A lot of houses like that. I mean, maybe that's their style.
Because they're older.
Yeah, I like that. We can have tea outside. Oh my gosh. Or noodles. I would never forget that pancake we have here. That pancake. When I had a first bite, I said, nah, I can't. I don't know if I can eat the pancakes from other place anymore.
Even the home fries.
Home fries, yeah. Oh gosh. I would try to make that way in a house, but I'm not sure how would they come, but that was amazing.
There's two parks down here too.
What?
There's Liberty Square 3.
What? Oh my goodness, Carter.
Gadsdenboro Park, Liberty Square, and Charlotte Street Park.
Gosh, oh my goodness. And they have aquarium. I can see the board of aquarium there. Oh my goodness. What would we do, honey? Oh my goodness. I think like we are leaving like 4 or 5 days trip. We would have to make here, huh? Okay. Yeah, 4 or 5 days of trip we would have to make. Oh, there is one more purple trash. Even their trashes are so fancy, huh? Trash truck. Oh, this is not fancy. Okay. I'm hoping something else will come before we leave. We can see that before we leave.
We're out of
Bye Charleston. Bye Charleston. See you next time.
That's a post office right there. That's really nice.
They have everything fancy here. Okay, bye Charleston.
Train just go on the right.
Oh, where? Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, what's that thing? Oh, maybe that's a part of what we. Yeah. Oh, that's the bridge. Yes, we crossed the other night. Yes. Yeah, that was amazing too.
I don't think we went across that one because there's multiple bridges. I don't think
Oh.
we went over to that side.
Okay. I'm so excited to see this same place we just saw
Yeah,
in
that bridge is
nighttime.
huge.
Yeah. In nighttime, imagine. That pineapple fountain would have different lights,
I
I'm
think it has
assuming.
colorful lights.
Yeah. And a lot of different stuff would have there.
Do you want to take a detour across that bridge?
Up to you, honey. I know we are already late, but if you are ready to go, I'm not complaining.
Let's go over the bridge.
Yep, let's go. I have zero complaints.
We have to go that way.
Oh, okay, damn. So we missed it? Okay, that's fine. I'm not losing hope because we'll come next time.
Let's see another way.
Okay. That's cool. Let's go.
And then after this, we'll get on the road.
Yes. We need to go back. We need to go home. Home sweet home. No? Don't say no, baby.
Yeah, because we need to go up here.
Oh, we need to go up here.
No right turn. No right turn.
No right turn? Okay.
Yeah, so no,
right
we
turn.
can't go there.
We can't?
No, I can, but we'd have to go, like, turn around.
No. Okay.
But I just can't figure it out while I'm driving.
No worries. So next time. So
Yeah.
one more to-do list, huh? So one more place for to-do list we have. I get distracted by things. So I forget I'm talking something. You wanted to see your... So do you want to park and find a way to go there? Yeah, don't waste your time, money.
Turn rough and get the car behind us.
Okay.
Oops, nope.
No. Okay. Let's find a way to get there and then we will connect again. So we found a way to go to that bridge, but the video is already for like 8 minutes, so we'll record a second video for that one. So please like, share, subscribe.